I want to start with a number that's going to change how you think about money. If you invest just $5,000 a year, starting at age 25, and you never touch it again, assuming an average stock market return of 10% per year, you'll have roughly $1.4 million by age 60. But here's what makes people angry when they learn this. If you wait until age 35 to start investing that same $5,000 a year, you'll only have about $540,000. That's a difference of almost $900,000 just because you waited 10 years. 10 years. And you didn't invest any less money, you just started late. This is compound interest, and it's either going to be your best friend or your biggest regret. So what actually is the compound interest? Here's the simple version. Compound interest is when your money makes money, and then that money makes more money. You invest $100. It grows to $110. Now, that $110 grows to $121. Now $121 grows to $133. You see the pattern? You're not just earning returns on your original investment. You're earning returns on your returns. Albert Einstein allegedly called it the eighth wonder of the world, and honestly, he wasn't exaggerating. This is the mathematical force that turns small, consistent investments into life-changing wealth. Let me give you real numbers so you actually understand the impact. Let's say you're 25 years old. You decide to invest $2 a month. That's about $8 per day. By age 60, with a 10% average annual return, you'll have approximately $1.5 million now if you're 35 years old and you start the same investment of $250 a month. You'll only have around $640,000 by 60 to the difference, over $1 million. And if you start at 40, you're looking at about $180,000. The math doesn't care about your excuses. Every year you wait, compound interest works against you instead of for you. Now you're probably thinking, okay, but how do I actually start investing? This is where people get confused because they think they need to understand everything before they begin. You don't. Here's what you actually need to do. First, open a brokerage account. This is just an online account where you can buy investments. Apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, or even your bank offer these. Second, fund that account with money you can afford to invest long-term, meaning you won't need it for at least 5 years. Third, invest in a simple, low-cost index fund that tracks the overall stock market. That's it. You don't need to pick individual stocks. You don't need to be a day trader. You need to be consistent and patient. The reason most people fail at investing isn't that they don't understand compound interest. It's that they don't actually start. They're waiting for the perfect time to invest. They're waiting until they have more money. They're waiting until the market feels safer. Here's the truth. The best time to invest was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. The market will go down sometimes. You might feel scared. But time in the market beats timing the market every single time. If you had invested $1,000 in the S&P 500 on January 1st, 2008, literally the worst possible time, right before the financial crisis, it would be worth about $5,400 today. Even by investing at the absolute worst moment in recent history, you'd have turned 5 times your money. Here's what I want you to do today. Don't wait for the next video. Don't wait until you feel ready. Open a brokerage account this week. Even if you only have $50 to invest right now, that's enough. Set up automatic monthly investments of whatever you can afford. $50, $100, $500. The amount doesn't matter as much as starting and staying consistent. Then, literally to nothing. Don't check your account obsessively. Don't panic sell when the market drops. Just let compound interest do what it's been doing for centuries. Turn small contributions into generational wealth. Look, I can't tell you exactly what returns you'll get, or promise that the stock market won't have bad years. That's not financial advice, and you should always talk to a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. What I can tell you is this: the power of compound interest is real. The math is on your side, and the only way to lose is by not playing. Every single day you wait is a day your money isn't working for you. Start today. Your future self will thank you for it. If this video helped you understand why starting early matters, hit the like button and subscribe for more personal finance strategies that actually work. Comment down below. What's been holding you back from investing? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.